Mr. Speaker, sir.
Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya in charge of Urban Affairs Nyab Halangdhar informed the House today that no funds were sanctioned by the government of Meghalaya for the Right Shillong e-bike sharing project, which was launched by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma in August 2025. Replying to a query, Deputy Chief Minister Nyab Halangdhar stated that the state government did not allocate any financial assistance for the project. He further informed that a total of 20 electric cycles were rented under the SUMACA or Sustainable Urban Mobility, Air Quality, Climate Action and Accessibility Initiative. The project was implemented by the Urban Affairs Department with support from GIZ as part of the SUMACA project. Regarding the agency assigned to operate the electric bikes, he said that the contractor was Chartered Bike Private Limited located in Jharkhand. Responding to concerns over reports that more than 50% of the electric cycles had become non-functional, damaged or were lying abandoned, the Deputy Chief Minister said that no such information had come to the knowledge of the implementing department or agency.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Presently, most of the road within the Shillong city, there was no provision for a cycling track. Yes, for a new project, for example, that new road which has been constructed in New Shillong, all the newly constructed cycle track has been provided. So we are discussing what within the old Shillong as well as within the city, there are the road is narrow. There is more or less no cycle track, but for the new projects I discussed with the PUD department, we are make sure that especially in the new township, all the newly constructed cycle track has been provided.
Through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, second supplementary, I would like to put forth on the day that the Honorable Chief Minister launched the Right Shillong project by himself, riding a cycle on the Piduldi road towards Kendailat, along with fitness celebrity Milan Suman and with certain IAS advisors. I want to ask whether the Chief Minister and his group were riding the cycle on a dedicated lane for cyclists, or were they riding the cyclists in the middle of the road on a lane, means for normal vehicles after police personnel and security have first cleared the traffic on the road. May I get a clarity on this?
The objective of the Urban Affairs Department and the government as a whole is to ensure that we find ways and means to be able to address issues of traffic, address issues of sustainability, address issues where we find ways in which we can find sustainable transportation modes. Now, it's precisely the thought processes which are going on in the Honourable Member's speech and in his mind is what is restricting us from innovating. Sir, as a government and as a society, we need to try. We need to innovate. We need to find new ways and means. If even before trying, we say we are not going to do anything, then we're going to be standing still and we'll never move forward as a society and as a government and as a state as a whole. Clearly, sir, in this particular reply, it's mentioned that none of government's money was spent. This was a grant, a contribution made by the German agency in collaboration with us to experiment and see how to move forward, because we do desire to see that in the future that cycling, walking is something that is promoted. Because once that happens, we will be able to see the congestion go down in the state, in the city as a whole. So it is quite sad to hear honorable members, where we should be really looking at positive ways to move forward, are here to criticize the initiative and the steps being taken by the government to find better solutions. Having said that, sir, we are not saying that everything we do will succeed perfectly the way we want. we will face challenges, sir. But the point is that we try, we face challenges, we see hurdles in front of us, we change and adapt accordingly, and then we move forward. And that's how society and state and government moves forward. Now, if you look at, sir, the small steps of removing the hawkers and giving them space, that has created walking space now. Like that, sir, will be overall, hopefully in the days to come, we have plans that in the new Shillong site, there are going to be cycling tracks. So therefore, sir, these are all larger long-term visions that we have. And therefore, I'm happy that the Honorable Member has asked this. And I must congratulate the Urban Affairs Department for taking that initiative. It's not a simple thing, sir. It's not a simple thing. To always try to find solutions and innovations is a big thing, sir. And so you'll be happy to know that almost 1,600 people have actually used the bikes. 1,600 people have actually used these bikes. Yes, Honorable Members' suggestions are welcome. You may please give us suggestions on how to improve things. But looking at something and government doing something and always finding that we have to criticize what government does is a mindset I would urge that Honorable Members must change. We must work together, opposition and ruling. Let's be constructive in our discussions. If you find that there are problems there, give suggestions and we're happy to incorporate those suggestions.